Good morning, it's Brandy with Brandy Price Image, and I'm here today to give you your quarantine self-care tip. Today we're going to be talking about how to make Easter special, and I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can still make Easter special even though we aren't able to leave our homes right now. Our first tip is going to be to go ahead and get dressed for the celebration. Go ahead and wear what you had originally intended or purchased to wear for Easter for yourself and your children. This is going to be really key to help you feel like $1,000,000 throughout the day and help you feel like it is a traditional Easter in your home. Tip 2 is going to be to go ahead and watch an online Easter service. There are many of these at different churches that have supplied an online curriculum for the Easter service and the Easter celebration. Go ahead and check one of those out. Bring your whole family together, dress to the nines, and it will definitely be a celebration to take your traditional family photograph. That's our third tip. Go ahead and take your traditional Easter photo, either outside of your home, maybe in your backyard, even set around the dinner table. Tip number 4, set a beautiful table. Right now is the time for that china and crystal that never sees the light of day to shine. You want to make sure that you set out everything that you will need for your lunch or your dinner celebration. Make sure that you have the cups, the napkins, the plates. Use the silverware. I know some of us have been using a lot of plasticware and paper plates, but let's go ahead and break out that china, and it's going to make the event seem extra special. If you have flowers that are in your yard that are already blooming, you can trim some of those and put those in beautiful vases around your home and at the dinner table as a centerpiece. Last but not least, if you haven't been able to fill those baskets yet, I know that shipping times are running really far behind with some of the producers. If you're trying to go to Target or Amazon, chances are you're not going to be able to get Easter basket fillers right now in a timely fashion. So on the Disclose blog, I have linked several different DIY projects for basket fillers that you can use those to enjoy. Okay, that's it. Those are 5 steps to be able to make this a memorable Easter celebration. We hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week.